In this video, we are going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of somatic gene therapy. But first, let's learn what is somatic gene therapy. A cutting-edge medical procedure is called gene therapy. It offers benefits and drawbacks. For some patients with particular medical issues, gene therapy can literally save their lives, but it's pricey and has a risk. The FDA and National Institutes of Health have strict regulations on the development of gene therapy. You probably noticed that gene therapy is both intriguing and somewhat complex. It might significantly alter the lives of people with cancer, uncommon genetic illnesses, and other conditions. But there are advantages and disadvantages to employing gene therapy, just like with any medical procedures. It's crucial to consider both risk and advantages of any medical procedure. So, we'll go over some of the advantages and disadvantages of gene therapy in this section. So, let's discuss first the advantages of somatic gene therapy. So, the first advantage is that it offers choices. In cases where no other treatments have been effective, gene therapy may be able to cure a patient. The second one is it only needs to be given once. So gene treatments now available are administered just once, compared to some other therapies that call for several dosages. This is intriguing.
Long-term results. Gene therapy may be able to permanently eliminate a person's symptoms. So many people's lives can be improved via gene therapy. The benefits that have been passed down over the centuries. So a parent who has a defective gene, remove from them one pass that gene onto their offspring, then quickly involving technology. A huge technological advancements over the past few decades have been gene therapy possible. We anticipate further advancements in gene therapy as a technology develops. We may anticipate FDA approving additional gene treatments in the future.
Disadvantages. Expensive. Gene therapy can be quite expensive, which makes it unavailable to some people. For instance, the most expensive drug in the United States is Zolgensma, a gene therapy used to treat spinal muscular atrophy. A treatment program cost $2.1 million. Experimental. There are still many things we don't understand about gene therapy. Despite its recent development, there are currently no assurances. It's yet unclear how effective gene therapy will be. Potentially dangerous. Some people worry that gene therapy might have negative effects if it spread to healthy cells in addition to the defective cell. Additionally, there is worry that undetected changes to reproductive cells could be transmitted to people's offspring.
Ethical issues. Gene therapy causes some people to question its morality. Who will decide what good and bad uses of gene therapy are instance is a concern for some. And will gene therapy makes us less tolerant of others who different from us? Possibility infectious. Some gene therapies deliver healthy genetic information into a sick cell in the body using inactivated viruses. These viruses may infect the patient who is undergoing treatment. So those are the advantage and disadvantage of somatic gene therapy, and that conclude our representation.